my royal family? I know. Turn on the video and the first thing I got you looking at is a pot of boiling water. Now I'm going to give you some instructions. I'm not going to tell you yet what I am about to make. You see, this is some boiling water here. And yes, it will consist of eggs, and I promise you, we're not doing the same old deviled eggs. We're going to kick it up a notch, okay? And I found this to be a really good way to get the shells off of my eggs without any problem. Okay, here I have a pot of boiling water. And I know this might sound strange. I didn't believe it until I tested it. What you're going to do, you need 6 eggs, okay? And you're going to lower each egg in the pot with a spoon. Please be very careful. You can't just throw it in there because the egg will crack. So we're going to put 6 of these in here. Just lower them down real slow. Okay, and once we get all 6 in here, you want to boil this for 15 minutes. So make sure you put your timer on because you only want it for 15 minutes, and that will give you the perfect boiled eggs. Okay, I got about 2 more. You see that? Because when someone told me to do that, I said, no, the eggs are going to crack. And trust me, they don't, unless they're already cracked when you put them in. Okay, let's lower this one in. And let's do the last one. Again, you're going to boil for 15 minutes. And there is no salt in this water because there is no need. Boil the eggs for 15 minutes. Take them off the eye. Run cold water on them. Just keep running cold water. And as soon as the egg is cool enough to crack it open and just pull the shell off. I'll come back and show you guys, but I'm telling you, this is the perfect way to get a perfect boiled egg and take the shell off. Okay, you guys, when I come back, then I'll tell you what we're going to do with these eggs. Okay, don't go too far now. Okay, you guys, it has been 15 minutes. It has been 15 minutes since the eggs were boiling. I took them off, ran them under cold water, and I want you to see not one egg shell stuck or it took any of the skin off your egg. Perfect, you guys. Look at that. Okay, now what I want you to do, they're still hot even though we peeled them quickly. I want you to let them rest for 10 minutes. Once you let them rest, I want you to cut them like you would devil eggs. So cut them the long way. Where's my finger? Go straight down like that. And pull the yellow yolk out and sit it in a bowl. Again, let them cool for 10 minutes and cut this long way like you're doing a devil egg. I'm about to set up the video so you guys can see my beautiful face. Then we'll finish this. All right, thank you. Hey, royal family, I had to come back on. I just shot the video of the chicken and dressing stuffed devil eggs topped with cranberries. And when I was trying to upload it, for some reason, the video was not on when I was doing the demonstration. But you guys do have a picture of it. I am so sorry. But just a brief overview. We're stuffing it with chicken and dressing. Of course, take your yellow yolk out. Your chicken and dressing should already be done. You know, so do your chicken and dressing like you normally do. Let it cool. Then kind of mix it up. And then stuff it into the eggs. Once you stuff it into the eggs, then you would put your whole cranberries on top. Again, you guys, I am so sorry. that the video where I was demonstrating it did not come out. But again, the picture should kind of help you. You guys have a blessed night. I will see you guys again this week, where I will be doing a bourbon pecan pie. God bless you. Thank you. Okay, my royal family, here is the finished product. Chicken and dressing, stuffed deviled eggs with whole cranberry toppings. I want you to see that. Wow. That's amazing. And it really tastes good, you guys. Just want to give you one more. Yum. And they can always add more cranberries if they like. Again, thank you for watching. Thanks to all of my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and everyone who have commented and supported me. Thank you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you again this week.